Good morning and welcome to another whole group reading lesson. Today we're going to be doing the lesson from Unit 5, Week 4, Day 5. So, in this lesson, we are still talking about our cow card. Very good. I'm glad you remembered. So, the sound that this stands for is what? Ow. Very good. And how do we spell that? Amazing. Let's say it together one more time. O-W-O-U. Good job. Now we're going to go through these words. We're going to start with the top line on the left side, and then we'll just go row by row, reading from left to right. So let's start on that very first word at the top. Ready? Down, town, frown, clown, crown. Next line. Crowd, plowed, plow, brow, now. Next line. How, house, blouse, spouse, mouse. And the last line, mouth, mound, found, sound. Good reading. All right, go ahead and do whichever movements you would like as we go through our sight words. You can do the baby shark spelling, you can do volcano, snowman, basketball, whatever you want. So first off though, I need you guys to tell me what this word is. That's right, it's color. Very good. Let's spell it. C-O-L-O-R, color. And let's read the sentence at the bottom. What is your favorite color? Good reading. What is this word? Early. Very good. Let's spell it together. E-A-R-L-Y, early. And the sentence. I had to get up early today for school. What is this big, long word? Instead. Very good. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. You can have juice instead of milk for lunch. Ooh, we have another long word. What's this one? Nothing. You guys are amazing readers. Let's spell it. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing. Let's read the sentence. This weekend, I want to do nothing else but sleep. What is this word? Very good. The word is O. Let's spell it. O-H-O. And the sentence? Oh, look over there at the baby animals. And our last sight word for today, what is this? Thought. Very good. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Let's read the sentence. I thought that we were going to learn about patterns this year. Here are some words from our story for our lesson. Again, we're going to start on the top line and read those words together, going from left to right and then from top to bottom. Ready? Outside, owl, around, down, mouse, crowd, sounds, frown. Now we have some of our phrases. Let's go from top to bottom on the left, and then we'll move over to the right and read top to bottom again. So starting at the very top on the left side, let's read these together too. Ready? Look all around. Make a sound. Make you frown. The crowd can. Now to the right side. From finding sounds. What a loud sound. Through the town. Like a mouse. Give yourself a high five, friends. You are amazing readers. Here are our two of our sentences from our story. Go ahead and look at that top sentence for just a couple of seconds. Let's read it together. Ready? At night, you might listen to an owl or other outside sounds. Let's do the next one. Ready? Look up, look down, look all around. Here is our story for our lesson, and it is called Sounds Around Us. So let's read it together, starting on page 45. Ready? Look up, look down, look all around. Nothing can stop you from finding sounds. Let us get an early start. Listen to those morning sounds. A clock can make a sound to wake you up. Oh, what a loud sound! This might make you frown. It's nice to stay in bed. When you board a bus to school, it can make a sound. The sound is the big wheels rolling through the town. At school, the crowd can get loud. If it does, the people in charge may shout. Instead, make soft sounds like a mouse. If you thought sounds can only be in daytime, there are night sounds too. You can hear them when the sun goes down. At night, you might listen to an owl or other outside sounds. These sounds are not loud. These sounds can make you want to go to sleep. The last sound of the night could be the sound of soft snores. Good reading. Now, remember, we have been talking about adjectives and using those adjectives to compare different nouns, different people, places, things, or animals. Now, if we have the er or ending on an adjective, what does that mean? How many nouns are we comparing? That's right, we're comparing two. So, with our first box, we have the word fast and then we have faster. If I say I can run fast, I'm only talking about myself, one noun. If I say my brother is faster than I am, I'm now comparing two nouns. And so I'm using at the end of fast. Now, what about est or est? How many nouns are we comparing in order to use those? That's right, three or more. So, again, with our box that has fast and faster, if I were to say, my dog is the fastest runner at our house, I am now comparing my dog to the rest of the people in my house, which, by the way, there are 7. But I'm saying my dog is the fastest. 7 is bigger than 3, therefore, I have to use the est ending. The same is true for almost every adjective that is out there. Now let's review our grammar really quick. We've been talking about using the adjectives a, an, this, and that. So let's see if we can find those adjectives in these sentences. Let's look at the top sentence in the box. It says, this mix needs a cup of water. What are our adjectives in there? Oh, this is one. Very good. Oh, and a. Awesome. Now, why did they use a instead of an? Oh, you remembered. It's because cup, the word that's after it, starts with a consonant sound, not a vowel. So we use a. We use an when it starts with a vowel sound. Very good. Now, this. What does this mean? Oh, the mix is close to us. That's why we say this mix. Okay, very good. Let's read the next sentence down. Could you hand me that cup? Now, why would they use that? What would that mean? Oh, that the cup is not close to us. I get it. I am so glad that you remembered. Good reading today, friends. Please give yourself a high five if you haven't already. And I hope you join me for another reading lesson soon.